They also attack larger prey that seems impossible to beat. If you want to see those amazing moments, please sit tight, as we will see 11 most amazing bird attacks caught on camera. Number 11. Falcon. A drake mallard who was relaxing was suddenly attacked by the prairie falcon at lightning speed. With the speed up to 100 miles per hour, it can delivering a knockout blow to large prey. In this video, a peregrine falcon meets a great blue heron while flying. The peregrine falcon caught the blue heron and they both fell to the ground. Then, the falcon attacked the blue heron mercilessly. In another video, a peregrine falcon returns to its nest with a parrot that appears to be lifeless. Without further ado, the falcon plucked the parrot's feather and enjoyed its lunch. Publish video about wild animals in nature every week. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to get notified on our latest video. Number 10. Striated caracara. On the Falkland Islands, the striated caracaras are flying together in search of prey. Suddenly, they saw a baby seal who was left alone because its mother was hunting for food. Seeing this golden opportunity, the caracaras immediately attacked the baby seal. The baby seal kept trying to run away from the caracaras but in vain. When it was almost over, the mother seal returned from hunting and looking for her baby. The mother seal immediately rescued her baby, and the caracaras had to find another lunch. Number 9. Giant petrel. In this video, the penguin family was playing together on a sunny morning. Suddenly, a male giant petrel came attacking them. All the penguins ran for safety, except for a baby penguin who was caught off guard. The baby penguin tried to escape, but it was very difficult because the giant petrel was much stronger than it. Not long after, another giant petrel came to as for its share. It seemed that all would soon be over, until the penguin's daddy saw what happened. The daddy attacked the giant petrel bravely. As a result, the giant petrel walked backward, and the baby penguin slipped and fled. The giant petrel tried to chase after it, but the brave daddy slammed his body into the giant petrel and was ready to fight. Finally, the giant petrels decided to have a truce. The baby penguin thanked its daddy, and promised not to be a naughty kid again. Number 8. Owl. At night, a peregrine falcon mother was relaxing with her 3 babies, when suddenly an owl came attacking. The mother was trying to protect her babies, but the owl took one of the babies quickly. The sad mother falcon could only scream hysterically. Not long after, the owl came again and tried to take one more baby. This time the mother falcon fought and chased the owl. It's really sad to see the fate of this falcon family. Number 7. Crow. A mother goose and its babies were swimming happily when a swan suddenly attacked them, because it didn't like their presence in its territory. The mother goose jumps ashore and the babies go in all directions without the mother's guard. The swan didn't let the mother goose go back to the lake. The goslings who swim aimlessly become an easy target for birds of prey, one of which is heron. The heron immediately caught the gosling and ate it on the tree. Meanwhile, the other 2 goslings were frightened by being chased by the swan, and unfortunately, they approached the crow. The hungry crow immediately caught one of the goslings. The crow then took the gosling to the grass and enjoyed its lunch. A mother rabbit is having a picnic in the yard. Suddenly, a crow came and tried to kidnap her baby. Luckily, the mother rabbit managed to stop it. This clever crow then lured the mother rabbit away from her baby, then it flew to catch the baby rabbit quickly and flew away. Number 6. Heron. A great blue heron is so hungry, so he decided to catch a snapping turtle. The heron seemed to have a hard time swallowing the turtle due to its size, and he dipped the turtle into the water many times to make it easier to swallow. The turtle fell into the water many times, but there's no word giving up in the heron's dictionary. In the end, it managed to swallow the turtle. In another video, a great blue heron tries to catch a long eel. This is quite difficult, because the eel is very slippery, so it always escapes from the heron's catch. The heron continues to attack the eel to make it weaker. After the eel was helpless, the heron immediately swallowed its lunch hole. In another video, a heron catches a cute squirrel. The squirrel tried very hard to free itself, but to no avail, and the heron quickly swallowed its lunch alive. It was clear that the squirrel was still trying to escape inside the heron's throat. Number 5. Skua. In Antarctica, a skua comes upon a group of penguins resting. The skua's arrival was greeted by the penguins, who sang with enthusiasm. The hungry skua was looking for baby penguins that sleep under the protection of their mother. After finding the baby, the skua attacks the mother penguin. Finally, the skua managed to catch 2 baby penguins at once and went away. Without lingering, the skua immediately ate its lunch, then it went to the other baby penguin and swallowed it too. Number 4. Seagull. A mother duck and her babies are relaxing in the afternoon. Suddenly a seagull landed near them, and the mother duck attacked it mercilessly. I think this mother duck was scarier than the seagull. The seagull was helpless and even pretended to be lifeless. Finally, the seagull managed to escape. Number 3. Eagle. 2 eagles chasing a great blue heron. The heron then landed in the water, and an eagle followed and attacked it. There was a long fight in the water between the birds of prey. In the end, the eagle managed to win the fight and enjoy its lunch. In another video, an eagle attacks a goat on a mountain. The annoyed goat decided to run down the mountain. The goat ran while occasionally rolling over the eagle. Some even hit a rock. Of course, this makes the eagle's back pain recurring. The goat kept running and rolling on the rocks. Arriving at the bottom, the eagle couldn't bear it anymore and decided to take a short nap. Number 2. Pelikan. A pelican caught a pigeon and locked it in its throat pouch. The pigeon struggled to free itself, while the pelican kept shaking its head and trying to swallow the pigeon. Several times the pigeon almost managed to escape, but the pelican was strong enough to hold it in. They fought for a long time, but in the end, the pelican managed to swallow the pigeon. Even after being swallowed, the pigeon still fought back from within. In another video, a pelican manages to catch a duck and hold it inside its throat pouch. The duck fought back very hard, while the pelican kept trying to swallow it while swimming in circles. A pelican who wants to show off did a moonwalk dance. Then, it spread its wings so that other animals were afraid of it. However, one cat seemed unconcerned by its actions and approached it instead. This made the pelican very angry. The pelican wants to swallow the cat, but luckily the cat's reflexes were very good, and managed to dodge. Number 1. Stork. In this video, you can watch storks finish off their babies. This is very sad, but it's part of nature. Stork put an end to its own baby. When there's not enough food or storklet is sick. Mother stork attacked one of her babies. Its brother tried to help but instead was attacked by its mother. Then the mother attacked the first baby again. Slowly, the baby walked to the edge of the nest. And finally, the baby stork fell down. At another moment, the mother attacks one of her babies again. Then she picked up the baby and dropped it from the top of the nest. That's all. 11 most amazing bird attacks caught on camera. Please leave your comment below. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Have you ever seen a pelican catch a duck? Or prairie falcon knock out a drake mallard? What if mother stork threw away her own baby? Some birds are very smart, and they attack their prey in surprising and unexpected ways.